Hello guys, so hope you are doing well. So I am Moin Ahmed from Skybite Agency. Today I will show you a new custom element which we have built for our client. So in this site I'll show you some of the element like the table. You can see that is table, and mostly I want to show you this testimonial part. Can you see this scrolling testimonial? Okay. And there are other things we have done in this part as well, like this custom element for my client. So all this is done in GHL GoHighLevel, and if you want to do it in GoHighLevel, if you want to have this, you just have to um, knock us on, like here you can just, you can knock us in this. I will send you the link here. You just have to go to the click on the get access now and just subscribe, and after that you will get these elements.